welcome back to Cooking with Candace. Stop ordering takeout because today we are making chicken tikka that completely rivals your favorite restaurant. I'm going to walk you through the secret to the ultimate yogurt marinade that tenderizes the chicken perfectly and locks in all those rich, vibrant spices. Grab your skewers and let's get cooking. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is do our first marinade. We have around 600 grams of chicken breast that I've cut into tikka pieces. So they're like long rectangle pieces. And then we have 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon each of ginger garlic paste. So I'm gonna put the ginger garlic paste first. I'm gonna do my teaspoon of salt. And 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And then I'm going to massage it all together. And then we're gonna set this aside for 30 minutes. All right, we'll set aside for 30 minutes. Okay, now that our first marinade is complete, we're gonna make our second marinade. So it's 5 tablespoons of hung curd, a pinch of turmeric powder, 5 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, half a teaspoon of Mace powder, and half a teaspoon of Kasuri Methi powder. And then we're gonna do a pinch of Kosher Salt and 2.5 tablespoons of oil. And that's all for the second marinade. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my marinade in this bowl. So I'm gonna put my curd in first. I'm gonna put all my powders in. And the yogurt really helps to tenderize the meat and makes it really juicy. Then my salt. Then my oil. And then I'm gonna whisk everything together. Now that I've mixed everything thoroughly, I'm going to add my chicken to the second marinade. Make sure it's all coated. Looks beautiful, smells really good. Okay, now that it's all mixed well, I'm going to cover this and set in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. And then we'll see you after that. All right, now that our chicken is marinated for 3 hours, we're gonna preheat our air fryer and skewer our chicken. Okay, so now I preheated my air fryer. I'm gonna open it. And then I'm gonna skewer my chicken. So I just leave a little bit of room on the bottom. And then a little bit of room on the top. And then I only put like 4 inside here at a time. Okay, and I only did 3 skewers because the pieces of chicken are a bit big. So we're gonna start with 8 minutes on one side and 8 minutes on the other side, and then we'll check it when we flip it. Okay, so it's been 8 minutes. I'm going to flip the skewers. Okay, I flipped them and I'm gonna cook for 8 more minutes. She's ready to enjoy. And that is it for the ultimate chicken tikka. If you give this recipe a try, snap a picture and tag me so I can see how yours turned out. And you can enjoy this with some squeezed lemon, some red onion, and some mint chutney. Delicious. The full recipe is in the description box below. If you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell. I post new recipes every Monday and Thursday, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next one. Bye.